Hi there everyone, my name is Preetam and I welcome you all to Negitech. In this video we will be doing unboxing of brand new Apple Mac Mini that is powered by M2 chip. So let's get started. And here we have this package that I received from Apple. So basically I bought it directly from Apple website, and I will also let you know how you can get added advantage. Like I received free AirPod 2 with it, and I also received additional discount of 5,000 which you can avail if you have any student that is studying in your home. So you just need to make a student ID. I'm gonna provide you the link in the description of this video. From there you can simply create student ID, or you can see here in screen how we can create it, and that eventually will result a lot of savings. Now let me quickly unbox it and let's see what is inside this box. Okay, so the first thing here we have got this text invoice, then description about the device. Now here you will find this seal which you need to tear so that I can open this box. Which ensures that this box is opening for the first time, and that we are talking about the outer case. So kudos to Apple engineers for this level of packaging. Now here we go. Seems like even the packaging box is very carefully designed to give you a good experience. Now let me open these seals like this. Now the box looks like this, so I am pretty sure now that I can open it. So let me quickly show you by holding it like this. And there we go. Here we have got our Mac Mini, and let me see it from behind. So this looks like this. And we obviously need to remove all these papers since they act as an insulator, and this unit is pretty small. So make sure that you remove all kind of plastics out of it so that it can radiate heat efficiently. It looked quite minimalistic, I would say. So now let me quickly remove from the front side as well. Okay. So here we can see the I/O of this Mac Mini. So here is the power button. Then we have got this power socket. And the reason why it is so small, because M2 is very efficient chip. Now here you will see this RJ45. Then here we have got this fan, and above we can see two Thunderbolt 4 ports, one HDMI and two USB type A ports. We also have got this headphone connection, and that's all. And you can see all the technical specification on above screen. How many cores it have, how many GPU cores it have. Now if you want to see the complete spec of this model, then I'm gonna list it here on the screen. There you can see it, and there are certain specs that I specifically wanted to mention, which is this M2 Mini comes with 16 GB of RAM such that it can work flawlessly, but I haven't upgraded the hard disk drive. It comes with base hard disk capacity of 256 GB. Now let me keep it aside and let's see what else comes with this box. So here we can see sticker. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. And then few documentation. And then here we have got this power cord. There we go. Very simple and minimalistic. So how we need to turn it on? We simply need to connect this power cord here and we are ready to go. So we just now need to connect it to power supply and need to connect it to my monitor using HDMI. And if you also want to utilize Thunderbolt port, let's say if you want to use multiple monitor, you can do that as well. So this box only have just Mac Mini and nothing else. Just Mac Mini and its power cable. No fancy gizmos, no fancy accessories, nothing else. Just a simple piece of your computer, and that's all. And that's all guys from my side in this video. I hope that you enjoyed the initial unboxing of my M2 Mac Mini. If you have got any question related to this M2 Mac Mini, then please do let me know in comment down below regarding configuration you need to buy. You can also check the list of very nice monitor that you can pair with this M2 Mac Mini. I will be keeping all the links of those monitor in the description of this video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.